In the heart of Whisker Woods lived a little beaver named Benny. Benny was known for his brilliant brain and bravery. One sunny day, Benny discovered a magical, mysterious wooden box in the woods. The box read, "Solve the maze, uncover the science." Benny, curious and courageous, opened the box, revealing a complex maze carved into the wooden surface. He knew that the maze was a science experiment. Excited, he decided to build a structure using the blocks in his backpack to navigate through it. The blocks were different colors, each representing a different path. Red for right, blue for left, and green for go straight. Benny placed the blocks carefully, following the maze's twists and turns. As he navigated the maze, he felt a sense of accomplishment. He had never seen such a challenging puzzle before. Suddenly, he reached the end of the maze. Inside the final box was a small, glowing crystal. Benny picked it up, and a whirlwind of colorful sparks enveloped him. When the sparks settled, Benny found himself in a beautiful underwater world. He was amazed. He swam among the colorful fish and coral reefs. Suddenly, a friendly dolphin approached. "I'm Dolph, the protector of this underwater world," he said. "You've solved the maze, and now you have the power to help us." Benny was shocked. He had no idea he had that kind of power. But he knew he would use it wisely. With a grateful heart, Benny returned to the surface, taking the crystal with him. He knew he had to share this marvelous discovery with his friends in Whisker Woods. As he told his friends about his adventure, they were amazed and inspired. They knew that with Benny's bravery and brilliance, they could tackle any challenge that came their way. And so, the little beaver and his friends lived happily, ready to face new adventures and learn new things every day. The end.